Marta Stražičić, also known as Fluff Lord. I'm from the collective Švestran Sisters, together with my sister Marta Stražičić. We performed our project called What If We Made a Video Game, and it was like Dark Souls and all the characters were artists during 2019's festival Extravagantna Tijela, commissioned by KONTEJNER. Our project is an audiovisual act that was following musician Nicholas Zhu, also known as Boja Shang, during his pre-release of an album, Music for Self Esteem. Project is a live-action game demonstration and audiovisual performance. It is followed by text that's deciphering apocalyptic moments in our species and in our individual birth, growth, and death, and it's written by Nick Zhu. The visuals are made by me and Marta. Marta uses Houdini as her tool in creation of physical simulations in the virtual space or in a video game environment. I'm, on the other hand, a character designer that uses CGI characters to build unreal, seemingly like fantasy worlds and narratives. And in this project, we used a character that looks like a night frog, and we are following him in 3 acts that decipher his romantic life and ongoing struggle and fight. In these 3 acts, 2 of which are played live inside a video game during a performance, so they are very spontaneous and unrepetitive. We have 1 extra part, which is short cinematic movie, followed by Nick Zhu's text. This act is 30 minutes long and it is quite meditative, and we hope that the audience can transcend into our unreal, sort of violent, sort of romantic world.